Yesterday, you had time to ideate all the different ways that you could help kids get clothing. You put your name on your paper and you drew all your ideas. Well, today, you have to sift your ideas to pick one that you think will work the best. Let's take a look at what I did yesterday. I drew a picture of a donation box, and my idea was to make a box to collect clothing in. My other idea was to make a poster. I could hang the poster up for other kids to see, and maybe they would want to donate clothes. And my third idea was to make a video on Seesaw. In my video, I would ask family and friends to donate clothing that we could collect here at our school and deliver to kids in need. I have to think very carefully, which idea do I think will collect the most clothing? I have to sift through my ideas and pick one golden idea. Now it's your turn. You're going to look through your ideas on your paper. If you don't have your paper that you did yesterday, go get it now. Pause the video. Welcome back. Now that you have your ideas, you're going to circle your golden idea. Circle the one that you want to do. Have fun, stallions!